Bro, I think Jesus was talking to me in my sleep, bro. What a dream that popped up in my head, bro, playing. And it was playing while I was sleeping. And since I got this YouTube now, better myself, it showed me the chicks that was doving me back then, not going for me, wasn't looking my way. But somehow, last night, I was sleeping. A dream was playing in my head. And it showed up these chicks, bro. 2 chicks from my past that wasn't even looking my way. Is that a warrant for God? That I have to watch out for them folks, bro? And not spare them? Because they wasn't even looking my way back then. So why looking my way now? It's like I said, it was 2 chicks, bro, from my past that was trying to look my way now. But they wasn't looking my way back then, when I was younger, a younger man. And now they trying to look my way because I'm doing my thing with this YouTube, building my foundation. Like literally, this was playing in my head. I was sleeping. I had to watch out for folks, bro. So yeah, that shows in my sleep, bro. Last night, it was literally playing in my head, bro. Playing in my head until I got up. I was looking around the whole time, bro, for like 5 minutes. So yeah, is he trying to tell me something? It showed 2 chicks, bro, from my past that wasn't looking my way. And like I told y'all, since I'm building this foundation and everything, is he trying to tell me to not spare these people at all? That's crazy. That's very crazy. It is literally, I can literally name 2 chicks, the 2 of the chicks, bro, off my head, bro. Off my head. This is crazy, bro. Also thinking it like this, bro. When you on your way to a better spot, you gotta go do a test right there in front of you. And you either gonna pass it or not. So I'm thinking it like this, bro. These gonna be the 2 chicks that's gonna be in the red dresses, bro, that I have to reject, bro. That's all I'm thinking about. So I'm putting it in that way, since I seen what I seen in my dream, bro. It was just literally just playing in my dream.